What's up, YouTube? We did it again. I feel like a Britney Spears song. Whoops. We did it again. Okay, we opened up another box. It had baseball stars, just like the one we opened up the other day. And we didn't want to waste our time showing you guys all the crap, so I went ahead and looked at it beforehand. That one first whole row is all crap, just commons. This pile right here is all stuff I can get autographed. That there is some inserts and star cards in football. And this is all the star cards in baseball, I believe. And we're going to show you, I have no idea what your Mike Trout rookie is. I'm sure that's not it. But I found one Mike Trout in there. We found some Chipper Jones minor league and rookie cards. And some kind of insert. I just picked all the Chipper Jones cards out. There's a gold rookie. So that's a pretty good pile of Chipper Jones. Found some Albert Pujols. Got a gold Pujols. There's a Freddie Freeman Sally League card. And a Topps rookie. I know he had a big game in the World Series. I don't know if this stuff's worth anything or not. Found a Michael Jordan card, a Ron Santos 74. There's another Freddie Freeman rookie. And another Freddie Freeman rookie. There's some kind of Jeter insert. There's a Sandberg rookie. Aaron Judge. I'm not sure if that's a rookie or not. I'll look it up. Oh, sorry. There's another Mike Trout. That's a cool looking card. I'm sure that's worth some money. It's got to be worth something. I'll look it up. 74 Reggie Jackson. And these Desert Storm cards are really expensive. I mean, commons are like $4, so. And we got a Griffey rookie. Look at that box. Oops, there's some more stuff here. Another Freddie Freeman. Another Freddie Freeman. Smoltz rookie. Randy Johnson rookie. Kirk Gibson rookie. Ryan Braun rookie. Manny Ramirez rookie. 75 Mike Schmidt. I looked these up and ComC was wanting like $29 a piece for these. I don't know what they're worth, but I like them. Game used of David Ortiz, Carlos Delgado, Prince Fielder. Game used of Kinsler, Millwood, and Michael Young. Game used of Elvis Andrus. And game used of somebody Parker. And a game used of Jermaine Dye. So we did find some game used in that one. And then we pulled out some Derek Jeters. I like Derek Jeters, so I was just wondering how many Derek Jeters I had. Not many. These were the Mickey Mantles. Went ahead and pulled out some Barry Bonds. Pulled out some Griffies. These are cool looking cards. I don't know if they're worth anything, but they're pretty cool. There's cool looking Griffey. Griffey sells pretty well in my area. It's gold. Oh, it's Pedro Martinez. I like that one. That's cool. That's a harder to find one. But like I said, that box ended up being pretty good. There was some pretty good stuff in that. And we ended up finding some 75s. Nothing to write home in the 74. And like I said, this is just there's Bo Jackson's, Ryan Sandberg. There's some newer stuff. have to look some of this stuff up. And that thing that Chipper was, or Ricky Williams was in, it also had Matt Holliday and Foucault and Hafner and some other guys in it. There was a whole stack of like Desert Storm star cards, like the big players like Bush and Clinton and Schwarzkopf. Oh, there we went. Like I said, it's newer and older, so. I saw Wee Man. There's Wee Man. I'm going to look through these and see if I get into any of these signed. Some Nolan Ryans. Oh, I forgot to pull these Pendletons out. This is a whole stack of stuff that should have been pulled out, I think. But that gives you an idea what's in there. So a lot of this stuff here. There's more stuff I forgot to throw out. Man, I must not have been looking very well. I was trying to get through this box pretty quick, but here's some of those cards I was telling you about. Schwarzkopf, and here's the Dalai Lama. All kinds of cool stuff. And then, like I said, we got some, there's tons of TTM type stuff. I think Howard Johnson charges a fee. A lot of manager stuff was in there. And then I was going to look these up to see if they sign. I think Sorensen signs. He used to. And I know Petty signs. Doug Rader signs. Not sure if Ricky Green signs or not. I pulled some stuff out just to see if they sign or not. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. This was box number, what? 3 or 4. I'm not sure. I'm losing track. We got so much stuff. But like I said, it's turning out to be pretty good. Because like I said, just a little bit of stuff I showed you in the beginning, I think, was well worth it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, we'll try to do this for all the boxes. We'll just make them short. And that way you don't have to sit there and watch me go through, like, whoa, that many commons. And like I said, some of these are even like borderline stars. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Have a good one. Till next time. Peace.